So there's two types of automated backup technologies we need to know about. The first is electronic vaulting. And this is really kind of an older technology where let's say that at our location we have a database, and at the offsite facility that's storing our data, there's another database that's holding the exact same information. Now, when our database has some changes to the files, it doesn't happen automatically. They don't sync up automatically. If it's electronic vaulting, what happens is all of the changes, those files that are actually changed, will be transferred over in a batch process, and then they will update that data over there. So this is a batch process where changes would go over maybe at the end of the day, the end of the week, and then update the data at the other location. And this is older because in most situations we don't have to do the batch processing. Our technology now allows us to do real-time synchronization. So the real-time synchronization is remote journaling. And instead of actually moving the whole files over, basically what happens is on our database there's a transaction log, and it will log what changes take place to the information. And then that transaction log will go over to the offsite facility where our data is being stored, and that software would use that transaction log to know how to update that data. And that can happen in real time versus batch processing, and that's better because if we're doing batch processing, then there's a window of time that we could lose a whole bunch of data. If we don't do our backup, or we don't move that file over until the end of the week, there's a potential we lose a whole week of data changes.